Welcome to Knowledge Beyond Expectation. In today's episode, we'll talk about the top freelancing websites. Freelancing is becoming popular day by day internationally. If you're searching for freelancing websites, you're in the right place. But before we begin, let's see what freelancing actually is. The process of working from home in a short term project is called freelancing. Don't confuse yourself that freelancing is a remote job because both are different terminologies to work. A freelancer may work part time or full time and at any span of time they want. This is because there are no office hours working time required. A question arises: what are the prerequisites to be a freelancer? The answer to this is that you should be comfortable with the skills and the services you are going to offer. A great portfolio plays a vital role to be a good freelancer. There are many sites offering freelancing jobs to individuals as well as companies. We will share the details of the top websites where individuals can start their careers as freelancers. So let's begin. TopTile.com. The name stands for Top Talent, and it was started as a virtual company with no dedicated offices. TopTile is a hire-based company. They hire top freelancers to work on every project. They test their candidates on personality, language, and skills, as they hired just top 3% of several thousand monthly applicants. The minimum educational requirement is a bachelor degree. The cost of hiring a freelancer from TopTal depends on the type of role, but you can expect to be paid between $60 to more than $200 per hour. TopTal is better than other platforms because it guarantees its clients that only the top freelancers will be working on their project. Guru.com. Guru is another good freelancing site with 3 million plus members worldwide. The main freelance job areas are programming, writing and translation, design and art, administrative secretarial, sales and marketing, and business and finance. About 1 million plus jobs have been completed on Guru since the start, creating more than $10 million of revenue. It can be a good start for both freelancers and customers. Signing up is free on Guru. Fiverr.com. Fiverr was the first to introduce non-traditional services called gigs. People post the services they can offer as a gig. Fiverr is a platform that offers the client to find contractors or different types of projects by looking at their gigs. The most popular categories on Fiverr are graphic design, digital animation, music, programming and tech, business, etc. Fiverr charges 20% of the price per project. If you are looking for a good website for a freelancing start, Fiverr may be a great option for you. Freelancer.com. Freelancer is another good freelancing marketplace website with millions of freelancers awaiting your job. They mostly offer IT related jobs. Freelancer has a bidding system. If you are a customer, you submit a project, related freelancers will then bid on your project. You can then choose between them as per price and the time they offer that suits you. That means there is an open competition between the freelancers and the bids are shown in order they are placed. So coming first may make you lucky. Upwork.com. Upwork started their journey decades ago. By rank, it's on number 1 in freelancing websites. It is also formally called Elance or Desk. There are some main categories at Upwork that are web and mobile software development, IT and networking, data science and analytics, design, writing, marketing, accounting, and other customer services. Each category is further divided into subcategories where the freelancer can apply for the job. Upwork offers an hourly based and fixed price job. Upwork deducts approximately 20% of charges on every project. If you want a job done or want to give services for some money, it can be a good start for you. Get this video a huge thumbs up, and if you want to watch more videos like these, subscribe to our channel. Please place a comment if you have any question, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, happy learning.